So, slight little disclosure before we get to the video. I had quite the time trying to install this ladder, and it had nothing to do with Greenlane. It was all operator error. Yeah, anyways, I did my best to make a good video for you guys. But yeah, anyways, let's get to it. So today I will be installing a Greenlane Offroad ladder on my 2018 4Runner. Currently I have the C4 Fab ladder, but I have decided to switch over to Greenlane. It's aluminum, nice and lightweight, no issues of rusting that will happen. And with my C4 ladder, I've already had to get replacement parts once, and I don't want to have to go through that again. There have been powder coating issues with it flaking off and bubbling, and also major rust issues, which is not fun because obviously it does not make it look nice up close. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm switching over to Greenlane. And also with it being lightweight, if you do have just your OEM struts on the hatch, you don't have to worry about upgrading those, so which is a really nice option. But yeah, let's get to the install and see how it looks. As I'm sure some of you are curious, here is a look at the C4 ladder. As you can see, it does not look the best with the powder coat and the rusting issues. After running other Greenlane products for a few years, I have never run into these issues with them. And also after posting my new ladder on Instagram, it seems that many people have gone through these issues with C4. So I'm just here to give you a warning in case you are leaning more towards them. Good start. I already broke the Allen key. Alright, so got it all off. Now I just need to clean this up here. That looks very, very bad. But go get some goo gone, and hopefully it won't take long to take this all off. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is on the top of the ladder, you want to take this plate off and then flip it around. So actually those are just on hand tight. And then you just want to put these on hand tight, so then you can have movement to adjust it when on. Okay, so on the top of the car here, you have this line on the spoiler. You want to mark it about a ½ inch over from that. So you can go ahead and put the ladder in. And then when it's at a good spot, you can go ahead and grab a piece of tape. And put a mark. So you know where to line it up for the full install. Alright, so once you got the bottom plate removed, on these two little tabs on the bottom of the ladder, there's some 3M tape on the back, and then on the top plate, you can see all the 3M tape up there too. You can go ahead and peel off the protective seal on it, and then you can go ahead and start to install it. I have absolutely no nails, so this is difficult for me. You'll find that after. Hey, Tika. Girl. Hey, Tiki. Okay, this is ridiculous. Come on. Alright, so you don't want to tighten these bolts down yet. What you want to do is hook this onto the top, and once you hook it up there, you want to pull on the ladder and then pull it and then slowly drop it down so the tape can stick. And then also on the bottom, you will want to pull the ladder all the way down and get it stuck on as far down as you can. So you just want to start up top on your line. Pull back and down. And once that is there, you want to push down on your ladder. And get it down as far as possible there. Just like that. And then you can go ahead and grab your bottom plate, and you want to hook it on there and then bolt everything down so then it tightens all together. Once you got that bottom piece put on and clipped over the hatch, you can go ahead and tighten this bolt down. Jeez, it's just not my day today. All right. Should have waited. Oh well. All right, so once that is done, you can go ahead to these guys here and tighten those ones down. All right, and lastly, you can tighten up the two top bolts. All right, so I did end up getting a Rotopax mount from them too, so I'll go ahead and just install that right now. Oh, doggies. This girl here will not let anything, not let a single thing fly over our yard. Our dog is just so protective of everything. Right, Kona? Hey, girl? Yeah. As you can see, she does not like that bird flying over top. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Install didn't go quite as planned, but which install really does. It seems like the most simple ones, something always comes up. Anyways, it's done. That's all that matters. Looks really good up there, nice and clean, nice and simple looking. Obviously you can add the Rotopax mount on there. But yeah, very, very happy with it. Nice and lightweight. The hatch now just flies on open. Yeah, anyways, if this was helpful for you guys, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. But yeah, that is it for this one, and thank you very much again for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Alright guys, so I wanted to see what a full Rotopax would be like on the back there, and I'll show you what it does. Obviously got to give it a little push, but it actually stays, which is awesome. I've always had to hold it open with my back or shoulder with the C4 ladder, but this one stays open, no issues. So yeah, I thought I'd share that with you guys. guys.